Hello kids, I hope so you all are fine. I'm gonna teach you A, B, C. Let's draw A. This is A. This is B. B. This is C. C. A, B, C. A for apple.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J,
B for
K, L,
ball.
M, N, O, P,
Make a
Q, R,
circle.
S, T,
Now
U, V,
make a ball.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
C. C for cake.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Let's draw candles.
K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D,
I'm gonna trace all ABC with characters A, B, C and apple, a ball.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
It's a cake. It's time to color ABC, apple, ball and a cake. This is yellow color. This is red color, brown color. Now we have magenta color, green color, orange color, blue color. Okay, now color an apple with a red color.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
It's a brown color.
Won't you sing with me?
It's a green color.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L,
I'm
M,
taking
N, O,
green again to color a ball.
T, U, V, W, X, Y,
Taking blue color.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
This is an orange color. Magenta color.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U,
Dark
V,
green color.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next
Taking
time,
beautiful
won't you
red
sing
color.
with me?
Brown color and it's completed. Now color a cake. It's a chocolate cake. That's why I'm taking brown color. You tell me, what's your favorite cake flavor? I really like chocolate cake. That's why I'm coloring with brown color. Taking magenta color. For the icing, I really like strawberry icing. Green candle. blue candle, yellow candle, orange flame. It's completed. Now I'm gonna color ABC. I'm taking green color to color A. This is A. A for apple. Taking yellow color to color B. This is B. B for ball. Taking magenta color to color C. C for cake. So this is A for apple, B for ball, C for cake. I hope so you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, share with your friends, subscribe our channel. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye kids.